Hello guys, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to share with you guys a list of new awesome paper airplanes that I designed recently. However, I will need your help to name the plane and make a decision on whether or not they are original and cool enough for me to publish the tutorial. Okay, so first of all, let's go with this paper airplane. Think about this plane. Are you familiar with this plane? I think so. Alright, so this part is basically the Spirit Dragon, but take a look at this. This is a new design with a new tire folding. It took me a while to come up with this part of the plane, so I think this is cool and this is awesome enough to create a new plane. So what's the best name for this plane? I don't know yet. Maybe a quarter shark or something. I want to have a mythical name for the plane so it's related to the Spirit Dragon. Okay, so this is plane number 1. Let's move to plane number 2. Plane number 2 is also very cool, and I think it's related to the bird. Look at the shape of the plane. It's very unique, right? This looks very nice, and you know what? This plane flies very well. I would say it's just like the Spirit Dragon, another version of the Spirit Dragon, but well, I think this is cool enough to have a new name. So help me to name this plane the number 2. What's the best name for plane number 2? And if it is cool enough, I'm going to make a test flight, and after that I will make the tutorial and share with you guys the instruction. Okay, so plane number 2, what's the best name for plane number 2? The next one will be this plane. Okay, this plane, I already make the test flight for this plane, and take a look at this. This is a very cool, awesome shape, right? It looks like a long distance paper airplane. Can you guess how far it can fly? I will not tell you until you can watch the tutorials, not the tutorials, but until you can watch the test flight, and after that I will create a tutorial. So what's the best name for plane number 3? Okay, I will need your help to name this plane. It's still very nice, right? Awesome. Okay, so we finished plane number 3. Let's move to plane number 4. Okay, plane number 4 is here, and I'm thinking of making a plane that replaces the Legend Tiger. I don't like the previous Legend Tiger. It doesn't fly very well. I didn't really like it, and I come up with a new design. It looks much cooler, and this looks more like a tiger in my opinion. So let's give me, how do you think about like this plane can be replaced, can be a new version for the Legend Tiger, even though the shape doesn't look the same at all. Okay, so this is plane number 4, guys. Okay, so let's move forward to plane number 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and this is plane number 5. Okay, let's me put it back here. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is a very cool head here. If you ever watch Dragon Ball Z, you know this is like either Frieza, or it can be Cell. It doesn't look like Cell, right? It looks more like the Frieza, or whatever plane is, whatever character is. So tell me, what's the best name for this plane? Is not a long distance plane. This is maybe a boomerang. I have not tested it yet because it's a new design. I need to check to see if this is a long distance plane, is this a glider, is this a boomerang, is this a floppy paper plane. So give me a name for this plane. This is plane number 5. And next will be plane number 6. Okay. Plane number 6 is here. So the reason why I make this plane is just a random design, guys. I just play around with the foldings and I come up with this one, and I think, oh wow, it's pretty nice. So what's the best name for this plane? If you can give me a name, and take a look at this. if there's any similar plan on the internet, something that's already been there, I'll just throw it away. If not, then I'll create tutorials and teach you guys how to make it. So just share a little bit secret with you guys that I really avoid watching anyone's tutorial. So my goal is to keep my brain fresh and don't get influenced from any other designers, even they are very popular. I watch origami, folding origamis books, traditional origami books like origami foldings, but for paper airplanes I always avoid to watch anyone else, so I can keep my design unique, original, and awesome. Okay, so I will need you guys to help me to look at around the internet or somewhere else if you ever seen something like this. So this is plan number 6. Tutorial will be decided by you, and also the name. What's the best name for this plan number 6? Okay, so plan number 6 is already there, and this one is plan number 7. Okay, plan number 7 is also a new design. I know this is not completely new. I came up with the design like many years ago, and today I just refolded for some reason. I didn't like it at first, but I think, well, I just share with you guys, so you guys may like it. You guys may like the shape, even though it doesn't fly very well, or whatever reason is. I just have fun making the plans, guys. Okay, so this is plan number 7. What's the best name for this plan? And I'll just make a tutorial very fast when I have free time. Okay, 7 already, and next one will be plan number 8. Okay, plan number 8 is this one. Okay, take a look at this. So this is not a long distance plane. It's maybe a glider. This is a very cool looking ship. You know that it's got a lot of beaten up. Why? Because this is a new design. So when I fold it, I just fold it quickly. I don't even like adjust the wings. I don't even know how it can be. So I just use an old piece of paper, fold it quickly to come up with a new design. So this is plan number 8. Guys, I think you guys want to see a few more design, right? But tutorial will come very soon. So this is plan number 9, 7A, and this is plan number 9. Let me share with you guys plan number 9 as well. Okay, this is plan number 9, guys. So you can see that it's look very ugly now. It's got beaten up a lot because when I fold it, I do a test fly, and it's got broken now. I will share the tutorials very soon. I will share with you guys the instruction too. So this is plan number 9. And here you go, guys. This is the plan number 10. This will be the last paper airplane that I'm going to share today. Let's take a look at this. This is very cool, right? It says a tail, it says a head, and the wings are small. It looks like a flying dinosaur to me. But how about you? What is the best name for plan number 10? What is the best name that come up to your mind? Okay, when I have a name, I will create a test fly and then a tutorial, and I will share with you guys how to make the plane fly. Alright, so I share with you guys the 10 awesome paper airplanes that I created recently. Help me to name them, and when I have the name, I will test all of them. I'll make a test flight for every single plane, and I'll create a tutorial. And now this is a thumbs up. I want to say thank you for everyone to support my channel since day 1. It is almost 10 years since I create a first tutorials, first videos. My first paper airplanes, I would say more than 10 years ago, around 10 years ago, something more around, I think about 10 years ago. But the first tutorial is about 8 years ago. Okay, time flies so fast, and this is the time for me to say goodbye, and now wait for your comment. Your comments will help me to decide whether I will create tutorials for these paper airplanes or not. Don't forget to like the videos if you like any of the plans here. If you like more videos, more comments, give me more feedbacks on my channel, and I'll make the next videos, next tutorial will be much better. Thank you for watching again, and see you next time. Bye bye.